Hello and welcome back to Vidyarthee Education. Today we'll be selecting another topic from the weekly news, and that will be the report on minimizing power costs and achieving the net zero emissions. So let's get started. So here is our PDF. You can download it from our website. The links are in the description. Why is it in news? Now, India is advancing its commitment to sustainability with the release of a new report, which is titled as Synchronizing Energy Transitions Towards Possible Net Zero for India, Affordable and Clean Energy for All report. Now, this report is launched by the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India. Now, it aims to identify cost-effective methods. Cost-effective methods of for providing affordable power to consumers. While outlining a path toward achieving the net zero. They are trying to achieve the net zero. Also, they are providing the they are identifying the cost-effective methods for providing affordable power. Now, it explores the optimal energy mix required to meet India's energy needs and reduce its carbon footprint. What are the key highlights of this report? Let's see. Now, the report provides critical insights into this India's energy landscape and outlines a strategic roadmap towards a more sustainable and cleaner future. Now let's see. Let's talk about the coal's central role. Now, coal is expected to continue as the backbone of India's energy system for the next 2 decades. So this reliance on coal is due to the abundance and current infrastructure. But the report underscores the need to transition to cleaner energy sources to meet the environmental goal. So first, coal needs to be transitioned to what? Renewable sources. Which to a cleaner energy. To meet the environmental goals. Now, the net zero emissions by 2070. Now, to meet this target, the report indicates that the significant contributions from the nuclear power plant and the renewable energy generation are essential. Now, these sources will play a pivotal role in reducing the carbon emissions while supporting India's growing energy demands. Now, next is resource recycling and recovery. Now, the report also emphasizes the importance of refurbishing, recycling and mineral recovery to meet the demand of the raw materials in the future. Now, this approach will not only reduce the environmental impact but also support the sustainability of energy systems. It will reduce the environmental impacts and also increase the sustainability of the energy systems. Now, next is the carbon capture technologies. Now, this report highlights the need to explore innovative carbon dioxide technologies such as bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, and carbon capture, utilization, sequestration, CCUS, we can say it as CCUS, carbon capture, utilization and sequestration. Now, these technologies to help offset emissions and contribute to the net zero goals. Now, what are the key recommendations that the report has given? First is the life cycle assessments. Life cycle assessments. Now, the report suggests conducting comprehensive life cycle assessments of alternative energy systems. Now, these assessments will help understand the overall environmental impact and guide incentive structures based on the net mitigation provided by these systems. Now, next is investment in renewable and battery technologies. Renewable and battery technology. Now, investing in renewable energy and advanced battery technology is crucial. Now, the report recommends focusing on battery technologies that utilizes domestically available mineral resources. The domestically available mineral resources such as vanadium-based flow batteries for stationary applications, EV charging infrastructures. Now, next, the regulatory changes for hydrogen blending. There needs some regulatory changes. Then the report proposes regulatory changes to allow hydrogen blending into natural gas networks. Hydrogen blending into natural gas networks. Now, this measure could lead to a cleaner energy mix and support the transition to renewable energy sources. Clear? Next, it is uranium storage facilities. Now, to ensure the resilience of the nuclear power supply, the report suggests establishing uranium storage facilities. Now, these facilities would provide a buffer against disruptions and enhance the security of power generation, to ensure resilience to disruptions, and to enhance the security of the nuclear power generation. Clear? Okay. Now, India's net zero target. Now, India's commitment to reaching net zero emissions by 2070 announced at the COP26 in 2021. Okay. Now, it represents a significant step towards global climate action. The report's recommendations align with this commitment, providing a roadmap for transitioning to cleaner energy sources while minimizing the power costs. Now, additionally, the Indian Railways has set its own ambitious target of achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2030. It further demonstrates the India's dedication to sustainable development. Now, through these measures, India aims to balance economic growth with environmental sustainability, paving the way for a cleaner and more resilient energy future. Okay, so this was a short video on the report on minimizing the power costs and achieving the net zero emissions in India. You can get all the PDFs, the weekly news, the monthly news, everything on our website. The links are in the description. You can also join our WhatsApp group and also the Telegram channel for more information on further videos and PDFs and materials and everything else. You will get everything over there. Make sure you join our Telegram channel as well as our WhatsApp group. The links are given in the descriptions. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.